40 boho, earthy, hippie girl names and their meanings. Boho girl names feel free-spirited and earthy whilst often remaining pretty and strong. For parents who want a unique choice for their new baby, leaning towards something inspired by nature or with bohemian ties can be the perfect choice. Although boho girl names are by their very nature unique, many are rising in popularity with names like Willow in the UK, ranking in the top 10, and Luna, Delilah, Iris and Summer, all ranking in the top 100. Here is a list of 40 beautiful boho girl names. Number 1. Amara. West African meaning grace and mercy. Number 2. Birdie. English meaning bird-like. Number 3. Cassia. Greek meaning cinnamon or a beautiful golden flower. Number 4. Clover. Old English meaning key or a flower name. Number 5. Delilah. Hebrew meaning delicate. Number 6. Eloan. Cornish meaning elm. Number 7. Esi. West African meaning God's gift. Number 8. Fern. English meaning fern. Number 9. Flora. Latin meaning flower. Number 10. Freya. Norse meaning noble woman. You could also use the Scandi spelling, Freyja. Number 11. Gaia. Greek meaning rejoicing. Number 12. Haven. English meaning safe harbor. Number 13. Hazel. English meaning hazelnut tree. Number 14. Hero. Greek meaning goddess, brave one of the people. Number 15. Imogen. Celtic meaning maiden. Number 16. Juniper. Latin meaning young. Number 17. Kaya. Greek meaning earth. Number 18. Lavender. English meaning purple flower. Number 19. Layla. Arabic meaning night beauty. Number 20. Lyric. Greek meaning lyre. Number 21. Marigold. English meaning yellow flower. Number 22. Meadow. American meaning field of grass. Number 23. Noah. Hebrew meaning motion. Number 24. Olive. Latin meaning olive tree. Number 25. Ophelia. Greek meaning help. Number 26. Orla. Irish meaning golden princess. Number 27. Piper. English meaning plays the pipe. Number 28. Posy. English meaning bunch of flowers. Number 29. Ray, Scottish meaning grace. Number 30. Riva. Indian meaning star. Riviere. Number 31. Saffron. English meaning yellow flower. Number 32. Sage. English meaning wise. Number 33. Shyla. Hindi meaning daughter of the mountain. Number 34. Skye. Scottish place name from the Isle of Skye. Number 35. Stella. Latin meaning celestial star. Number 36. Tallulah. Native American meaning leaping water. Number 37. Winter. German meaning time of water or associated with the season. Number 38. Wren. English meaning small bird. Number 39. Zara. Arabic meaning blooming flower. Number 40. Zuri. East African meaning beautiful. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Until next time.